Hi, today I've read of me Tecno Camon 18 and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So I just set up my face recognition a couple of minutes ago, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my face and we'll see how fast this feature is and does it work. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the face unlock feature works here fast and correct. We just unlocked the device just less than in the 1 second, the half of the second. This is the good result for the face unlock. It's correct. Unlocked our smartphone on the fast, so I just suggest you to try this unlock method, but don't forget that the face unlock is less secure than the passcode or PIN code unlock methods. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.